सो हेलो गाइस, व्हाट्स अप। आई होप आप सब बढ़िया ही होंगे। सो वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। सो आज की वीडियो रहने वाली है BMW 530M स्पोर्ट वर्जन। अब इंटीरियर का पार्ट देखेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू द बैक सीट। सो यू विल हैव अ नाइस लेग स्पेस हियर, यू कैन सी दैट। मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ही लेग स्पेस है। यू विल गेट अ नाइस हेड रूम, बट दिस इज स्कूप आउट हेड। सो फॉर द थर्ड पर्सन, फॉर द मिडल पर्सन, उसके लिए हेड रूम अच्छा नहीं होगा अगर वो 6 या 5 फीट का है। And you will have a nice light here, but these are not LED. Look around that. You get 3 headrest, sun blind, which is automatic, like sunshade. Like you will have a sunshade which is manually adjustable. These are manually adjustable. And then you got here 12-watt charger, AC vents. You have a nice cup holder, and then you have a magazine holder here, and you have a Harman Kardon speaker. You can see the badging of Harman Kardon here. These are the power window, which are plastic finish. The interior of the car is so premium. Look at the roof of the car, which is black, totally black. You get a hump here, which is not comfortable for the middle person. So this is basically a 4-seater car. You will get a magazine holder here. Let's get into the front seat. You have a M badging here. These are under thigh support, which is manually adjustable. This is manually adjustable. The seats are so comfortable. They will just hug you and give you too much of support. The headrests are so comfortable. You will have a lock unlock system here, and then you will have a plastic finish. I think ये metal की होनी चाहिए थी, because ये थोड़ा disappoint कर रहे हैं. And you have a memory seat option here. You can open the boot from here. So we have electrically adjustable seats, like you can adjust your seats from here. Look at the MID. This looks so premium. This is digitally analog. Let's just on the car. Look at the MID, which is totally digital, which shows you the tire pressure, kilometer. You can change the tachometer also. You have a different modes in this car. You have total 3 modes in this car, like sport, comfort and eco pro. And then you have a traction control. You can off and on the traction control from here. These are the parking sensor, and then you have electric brake and auto hold function. So this is basically the mini computer of the car. You can control the car from here only. You have a storage space. This is the storage space where you get a 12-watt charger, USB, and then you have a storage space here where you have a ashtray. and a cup holder, and then you have a wireless charger. Here you can charge your phone. This is 10-inch screen. We can handle it from here. This is basically the mouse of the computer, so I can control it from here. Like I have to close this message, and these are the radio functions, and if I have to go back from here, I can go back, and I can access the different function of the car. Like it will give you all the information of the car. Like we have Google Maps, and we have everything in this car. And the main part from the audio, we are having Harman Kardon audio system, which has a 600 watt output. So guys, you can hear the output of the car. These are the indicators. Here are the indicators, and here are the wiper control. And then you have a glove box here, which have a decent size space, and you have a light here. Yeah, and then here you have a vanity mirror with lights, and also here with vanity mirror with lights. And then the gear lever, ये इतना टफ नहीं है कंट्रोल करने का. This is basically parking function, this is rear, this neutral, and this is drive. And then you have a paddle shifters here if you want to be on sports mode. Like if I press here sports mode, the display changes. This is written M here, and then here you have a different information, like you have standard, individual, configure individual, sport, display. You have a lot of mode. In sport you can select these mode also. And then we have comfort mode. Comfort mode में भी MID चेंज हो जाता है. Like sport mode में भी चेंज होता है. Look at this. And then comfort mode. And this is the Eco Pro mode. Basically fuel efficiency आपकी इसमें बढ़ जाएगी. And then we have hazard light here, and then here on the right we have headlight control functions like fog lamp, headlight, rear fog lamp, parking. So अब हम बात करते हैं feature of the car, which is sunroof. So we can operate it from here. यहाँ से sunroof operate हो जाएगी. Look at the sunroof. This is not a panoramic sunroof, this is a normal sunroof. And यहाँ से ओपन हो जाएगी. Look at the view. Look at this. यहीं से क्लोज हो जाएगी. With a one touch of button, we can close the sunroof, and then we can close the curtain of the sunroof with a one touch of button. You can see that. So guys, अब हम बैक गेट डालते हैं. These are the views. एक एक चीज़ आपको बताएगा. एडेप्टिव, these are the adaptive lines. अगर मैं स्टीयरिंग घुमाऊँगा तो ये एडेप्टिव लाइंस भी मूव होगी. अब देखो मैं स्टीयरिंग घुमा रहा हूँ एंड ये एडेप्टिव लाइंस भी मूव हो रही है. और जैसे ही मैं ब्रेक छोड़ूंगा अपने आप मूव होने लग जाएगी कार. सो ये मुझे बता रहे हैं यहाँ से. लुक एट द कैमरा ऑफ द कार. कितना क्लियर कैमरा है. मतलब अगर आपके साइड में भी गाड़ी है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड कहीं भी गाड़ी है, ये आपको प्रॉपरली कैमरे में दिखा देगा. एंड यू कैन फिगर इट आउट कि आपको कहाँ लगानी है कैमरा में देख के. की वीडियो अब जो रहने वाली है वो गाड़ी के एक्सटीरियर के बारे में रहने वाली है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. लेट्स ओपन द हुड ऑफ द कार. Here you have the heart of the car. This is basically BMW 4-cylinder inline which produces 240 bhp. Like you have hydraulics, insulation, properly packed engine which is twin power turbo. It produces around 340 Nm of torque. So guys, this is the BMW 530i M Sport version. From the front we have the signature kidney grille of BMW. You can look at that. And then we have the front light of BMW which says BMW adaptive LED lights. So you can take a look around of this car. In front we have front parking sensor and we have vents for cooling the brakes. And these are all functional. This is the side look of the car. We have the M badging on the side look and we have also air curtains on the side part. You can look at that. So ये अपने alloys हो गए. तो टायर साइज है इस गाड़ी का 245 R18. 18 इंचेस का रिम है, 45 की साइड वॉल है एंड जो विड्थ है वो 245 है इन फ्रंट. एंड जो व्हील जो डिस्क साइज है वो बहुत ही बड़ा है. तो कैलिपर पे मार्क हो रखा है एम बैजिंग की. यू कैन सी. एंड दीज आर द वेंट्स फॉर कूलिंग द ब्रेकिंग पैड्स ऑफ द कार. एंड देन यू कैन टेक अ साइड लुक ऑफ द कार. These are the rear wheels of the car, and in rear we have 275/40 R18 tire size. You can see that. Here it is. This is the much wider than the previous one, and we got rear parking sensor. At the back we have LED tail lamps, 530i badging, BMW badging. And we have the towing hook here and we have reflectors. We have the chrome inserted silencer. We have dual exhaust here. Here is the shark fin antenna of the car. Coming to the side look of the car, we have 360-degree view camera which is here. You can see that. And then we have M badging and air curtains. And these air vents, air curtains are fully functional. They are not fake. And these are having a matrix indicator. And obviously you have a sunroof here and a shark fin antenna. The car looks so premium, so luxury. Actually BMW जो मानी जाती है परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. Look at this. DRL, you have the rear camera here. So let's open the boot. This boot has around 400 liters of space, which is not quite enough. And you have a holder here. You have a switch here, some storage here, some here. But boot is not big enough. You can see that. And you have a lock button. Basically अगर आप इसको दबाएंगे, इसको प्रेस करेंगे तो कार ऑटोमेटिकली लॉक हो जाएगी, लेकिन बूट लॉक नहीं होगा. बूट आपको मैनुअली ही लॉक करना पड़ेगा, लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द BMW 530M Sport वर्जन. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, यूजफुल लगी हो, नॉलेजेबल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.